My Lead, Learn, Grow conversation cards help leaders and organizations embed learning and growth into everyday conversations. I'd like to focus on the learning mindset cards. These are question cards that spark conversations about how leaders and teams can develop a learning mindset within themselves and with each other. I'd like to look specifically at this card. One of the benefits of sharing your mistakes with others. At the root, this card is really about increasing psychological safety and encouraging learning on teams. It's about taking risks, because when we experiment and learn, we're taking risks. And sometimes we need to be vulnerable, especially if we're going to share mistakes with others. The reality, though, is that we often learn the most and learn the best when we make mistakes. We need to pause, though, and make sure that we're reflecting on that to see what we can do differently. And if we share it with others, we can develop trust on our team. Leaders especially have an opportunity to role model sharing their mistakes with their team members to build that team trust and increase psychological safety on their teams. Remember, when your people aren't growing, they're going. Where are the opportunities for you as a leader or for your team to share what they're experimenting with and learning, and to share when they learn from mistakes so there can be collective wisdom and insight across your team?